Right, we have the 5090. Shit, I can't open it. Oh my god. There we go. Oh god, I'm sweating. This is 2 grand's worth of PC parts. Oh my. So you get this postcard. What the fuck? Yeah, so you get postcard, Wi-Fi 7. That's the weight of the card inside the actual when you install it. That's your adapter, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to use a different adapter. That's just messy. And then this is the main one. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh god, I don't want to drop it. Now that's a sexy looking thing. Oh my god. Oh. They're the fans. That's where it's plugging into the motherboard. Oh my god. That's powerful. 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. And that's all I need. I just need 1 HDMI port for my OLED 240Hz 4K monitor. And get multi-frame generation out of this bad boy. So there you have it, the 5090 RTX. Powerful. I'll probably get the 6090, by the way. Oh, right. And that's it.